Is it time to buy or sell Itaú Unibanco Holding SA stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of January, 2025, our system has identified Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -1.35%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.68% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 22.72% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -27.35% to -19.5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 15.53% over the next year, with potential returns between -19.57% and +6.82%. This translates to a price range of between $4.10 to $5.45 after a year. Our latest daily update for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA includes the headline, Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA stock price down 1.35% on Wednesday. The Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA stock price fell by 1.35% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, dropping from $5.17 to $5.10. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.39%, ranging from a day low of $5.03 to a day high of $5.10. The price has been volatile during this period, showing a 2.62% gain over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, volume increased by 3 million shares, despite the declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $131.03 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.27, while the lowest was $4.86. Currently, the price stands at 29.85%, or $2.17, below the 52-week high, and 69.96%, or $11.88, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $16.98. Itaú Unibanco, recognized by the ticker ITUB, recently demonstrated a resilient performance despite the economic challenges in Brazil. In its latest quarterly results for the third quarter, the bank announced an 18% increase in net recurring profit year over year, highlighting solid operational health driven by strong credit growth and declining delinquency rates. Although it slightly fell short of market expectations, the growth in operating revenues and managerial financial margins indicates stability. The bank's robust fundamentals were further underscored by its substantial capital reserves and strategic focus on providing attractive dividend yields, including a new payment of interest on capital set at 310,560 hundredths of a real per share. This commitment to returning capital to shareholders is likely to enhance its appeal to income-focused investors, particularly in light of the current high inflation and interest rates in Brazil. While some analysts observe that ITUB's trading above 1x price-to-book ratio may limit immediate value, the ongoing declines in credit costs and strong growth trajectory suggest a positive long-term outlook. In the short term, investor sentiment may benefit from the bank's ability to navigate economic volatility, which could positively influence its stock price. Overall, Itaú Unibanco appears to be on a path of sustained growth, making it an attractive choice for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned ITUB a neutral grade and took a downgrade action. On Monday, the 17th of June, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned ITUB an overweight grade and took an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 16th of January, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned ITUB a buy grade and took an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 15th of November, 2022, it was reported that Barclays assigned ITUB an overweight grade and took an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 29th of September, 2022, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned ITUB a buy grade and took an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock also receives a neutral rating from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 4.72%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term development of the stock. Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. The long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, resulting in an overall sell signal for the stock, providing a more cautious outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, which is approximately $5.35. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support at the short-term average, around $5.02. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative outlook. Yesterday, trading volume increased even as prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot signaled a buy 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average issued a buy signal 44 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. Again, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 50 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock shows average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 7 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 1.39%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A., let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 2nd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 20 cents. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding S.A. is at $5.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA encounters its first support level at $5.07. If this support level holds, it may serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA stock a good buy? Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA shows several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 10th, we expect Itaú Unibanco Banco Holding SA to open lower, declining by approximately 2.33 cents, and begin trading at $5.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.